All right, I just wanted to do a real quick video discussing a very important topic, which is you need to understand some basic JavaScript in order to follow along throughout the rest of the course. Now, if you don't, that's not a big deal because there is an entirely separate free course that I've released that will teach you the basics of JavaScript, at least in relation to what we need in order to proceed through the advanced front ends course. And it's all based on, it's a project-based course. So if you look beneath this video, you'll see a link to this course and it's 100% free. It's a part of advanced front ends, but it's just not a part of the regular curriculum. It's in its own curriculum. And I think it's like about 2.5 hours. It's not too long and it's all project-based. And so you're gonna learn things about, like when to use CSS versus JavaScript, variables in the DOM, event listeners, and you do this all in relation to simple projects. And so by the time you get done with this, you're going to be ready to start with the advanced front ends course, learning Greensock animation platform, 3JS, etc. So hopefully you enjoy this, relatively quick freebie course. But yeah, you definitely need to take this first before proceeding with advanced front ends.